Well, guys, today the wind was absolutely terrible, so we're going to do a little voiceover. What we're going to be doing is the introduction of planer boards in the presentation of baits for catfish. You can see that we have the planer boards already out, and right now we're on anchor to get ready to do our drag.
The weather has changed, but we're going to use the information that we got yesterday. Now what we're going to be doing is dragging on the outside of a sandbar. If you follow my channel, you have been here before. But every day when you go out, it changes. The weather conditions will have changed to some degree. The wind will be out of a different direction. The current flow is going to be different. You just never know what the conditions are going to bring from one day to the next. But it's a good indication of where I believe the fish are going to be. And what we're going to do, we already have a bite right here on this pole here. It's just been tapped. So that's the setup, guys. A little later in the video, I'm going to show you how I deploy them and how to use them. And we've already got a video made on how to make them easily. And it's one of my best videos. So guys, I'm going to go up front and run the motor and get the boat in the position I think it needs to be in. So hopefully we'll get it done. Hey, what I'm going to do is show you how I deploy my planer boards. As you can see, I've already got the right one out there, and I'm just simply going to throw this out of ways. Perfect. Then I'm going to take the planer board, and then simply going to hook on this clamp. The idea is, if I pull real hard, this will disconnect, or the fish pulled real hard, that will disconnect. And you can see it's out there a ways. You just clamp her down, put it in your the wind and bass boats, guys. I'll do a little narration up here. So, you can see that our drag area is muchly increased, and I like that. Now, when I'm operating from the back, I can see my locator, and we're up on a sandbar right now, which is a good thing. Hopefully we have done very well on this sandbar of late. And I want to get us out here a little ways. Today I want the boat in about 7 or 8 feet under the motor. Our bite in the last few days have come in about 6 to 8 feet of water. And you can see the structure we're pulling over. And that's the kind of stuff you want to be looking for. But the planer boards will add a whole new dimension of your ability to present your baits over a wide area. And we have, I have a video that will show you how to make those. They're simple, they're easy, and you can make them any color you want, and they work. But that's how you do it. Now, if you wanted to be technical, you could put other planer boards on these other two. Well, actually, you could have as many as you would want. You can see now we're getting in the water that I am looking for, and that is around 7 to 8 feet. And once we get there, and we're there now, I am just going to keep the boat pointed right along the sandbar. As you can see here, guys, we've gotten some depth again, and boy, I tell you, this is a great setup. But hopefully we'll catch a nice fish. So there you go, guys. Planer boards 101. They work good, and I am really impressed with our design. It works really well. I have 2 others with me today, but I have a pretty good idea where the fish should be. That don't mean they're going to be there. So there you go, guys. Hopefully we'll catch a monster. Wouldn't that be nice? It would be great. You boys have a good one.